Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Gayatri Keraj from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I have done my internship work based on cloud computing AWS, secure patient health record. Our batch code is 3 under the guidance of Professor Honaraju sir. About a Zon Lab company profile. It is headquartered in Bangalore. They also provide services for clients. They offer a wide range of services related to industrial automation, Oracle, embedded systems for a commercial, residential, and industrial sectors. And they are people-oriented, offering people the opportunity to accelerate more rapidly than in possible elsewhere. Client-focused, they are big enough to solve our clients' problems, yet substantially enough to sustain the loyalty, intimacy, and culture that contributes greatly to their success. Quality policy statement. Zon Lab committed to providing the highest quality of services to customers and services that benefits the business and the industry and the society. Services they provide are network support and maintenance, IT support, and cloud service and data backup. Network support and maintenance can set up and maintain business network or help troubleshoot and maintain your existing network. IT supports, they are able to consult with you or your staff when problem arises with your system. Cloud service and data backup, they will work with you to establish the appropriate cloud size and available resource for your business. The actual work done during the internship. We know that cloud computing is on demand availability of computer system resource, especially data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. And this secure cloud PHR is done using AWS, Amazon Web Service, where AWS is comprehensive cloud platform by e-commerce gained Amazon. A secure cloud PHR is to secure the database containing the personal medical record of the patient. There are a lot of challenges in the maintenance of patient records in the current system maintained by the healthcare providers. They are usually maintained manually, and most of the patient database is not easily accessible to the doctors and affects the quality of the patient care. It is easy for person with a criminal intent to hack and to access all the sensitive information and exploit it to the outside world. It is very important to have a highly secure database, especially when containing a highly confidential information. Patient might not disclose their actual health issues for the fear of losing their privacy and security of their health related information. This secure cloud PHR project helps in solving the above problem in a more efficient way. There are types of modules in secure PHR. First one is doctor's profile operation. This first module is doctor's profile operation. This module implements the basic user profile operations on the new account, logging into the existing account, logging out, editing the profile, changing the password, and deleting the profile. If not needed anymore, this application is also deployed on the cloud server so that this can be accessed by anyone across the global using the IP addresses of this cloud server. And this use case diagram shows that the doctor manages the account, patient register book, and the health records, where where doctor can create, delete, edit, login, or log out, change the password. And in health record and in patient register book, doctors can add patient, view their information and health records if not needed, delete it, and update the patient information. and in health records, add the health issues of the patient and delete it, and can view or update the issues. At last, patients can read their health records where doctors get registered after registration successfully, login page for doctors, and welcome page where update profile, change password, delete profile, and logout shown. The second module is patient register book. This module provides an interface to the registered doctors to add patient details to their register book. The doctors can do this only after logging into the portal. For adding the patient details to the register book, the doctor will have to provide the patient's name, email, mobile number, gender, and date of birth. Upon adding this entry, the system will generate an unique ID for the patient and a password, and trigger an SMS to the patient so that the patient can later use this credential for getting access into the read-only health records. In this module, doctor will also have a provision to delete already existing patient details from the register book. Adding patients. And the third module is health records. The doctor can manage the numerous health records of their patient. The module shows the list of all the register patient in the register book. The doctor must select the patient from the drop-down, and then system will fetch all the health records corresponding to him or her. If anything exists, the doctor then gets an access to create a new record for him or her through the same interfaces. Any health record created by the doctor here will be encrypted using doctor's private key before the record gets stored in database. In this module, the system also allows a read-only access to the patient on their corresponding health record. To get the access, the patient need to enter their unique ID and password synced to their mobile numbers from the previous module. Upon authenticating the patient's credential, the system will fetch all the health records relating to them. Here, how the patients can read their health records. First, fetch the health records encrypted using doctor's private key, and in the next step, perform the decryption of the health records using the same key, and then re-encryption of the record using patient private key. At last, sends the health record to the patient. Patient name and then generates an ID. Discussion. Last module is discussions. In this module, both the doctors and the patient will be provided with a convenient interface to exchange the conversation between them through the discussion channel. This module especially will be helpful for the patient to have a flow of conversation with the doctors. Also, this will be helpful for a doctor to have a systematic discussion with the patient in the portal. Thus, it will be required for a doctors to share their mobile numbers with their patients. Technical skills worked on AWS platforms. Non-technical skills was time management skill, teamwork, communication skill, and interpersonal skills. Benefits of doing this internship was learned how PHR is useful tool for patients, and gained information about AWS platform and tools such as GitHub, WinSAP, and Putty configurations. Thank you.